Welcome back everyone. In this video we're reviewing Tripadvisor. Is it still worth using? Tripadvisor is one of the world's largest travel platforms, offering reviews, bookings, and recommendations for hotels, restaurants, attractions, and more. It covers millions of hotels, restaurants, attractions, flights, and vacation rentals worldwide. You'll find reviews even for remote and lesser-known locations. You have real traveler experience help you avoid tourists, traps, and most listings include photos uploaded by guests, which are often more realistic than marketing images. Also, the Tripadvisor mobile app is well designed for trip planning on the go. You can create safe trips, write reviews, and book directly from the app. Travelers can ask questions and get answers from people who've been to the location or stayed at the hotel. Compare prices from multiple booking sites like Expedia, Booking.com, Hotels.com, helping you to find deals. Although it has some downsides, like some reviews can be biased, fake, or outdated, always read multiple reviews and look for patterns. Businesses may also pay for fake or positive reviews or flag negative ones. Also, Tripadvisor redirects to third-party booking websites. You won't complete your booking directly on Tripadvisor in most cases. Also, too much information on a single page sometimes clutters the user experience, and paid promotions and ads can push lower quality listings higher in search results. So, who should use Tripadvisor? Backpackers, families, solo travelers, and luxury tourists alike. Ideal for people who love to compare reviews, scout prices, and avoid tourists' scams. So Tripadvisor is a powerful tool for travel planning, but it's important to approach reviews critically and combine them with research from other sources. When used wisely, it can help you find the best hotels, experiences, food, and anywhere in the world. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.